Hello, today I'm going to show you how to reset your side window automatic operation system on the Mazda CX-5. If the battery was disconnected during vehicle maintenance, for example, or for other reasons, such as the switch continues to be operated after the window is fully open or closed, the window will not fully open and close automatically. Of course, you can switch the open and close button, but it will not have the function or the automatic close and automatic open system on all side windows. This is because we disabled and disconnected the car automatic battery. Now we have to relearn the system. It's really easy. Switch the ignition on. Then make sure that the power window lock switch located on the driver's door is not depressed. You can see it on the left side. Now we are performing on the right side again. Press the switch and fully open the window. Then pull up the switch to full close the window and continue holding the switch for about 2 seconds after the window fully closed. Make sure that the power windows operate correctly using the door switches. Then you relearned these options immediately. It's really easy. Only open the window, then close the window in one turn and push more than 2 seconds over the close time on your closing button. After this, it is relearned. This is a reset option of your Mazda CX-5 window system. It's really easy and it's awesome. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.